I believe in the coming year 2024, we will get even more than double. One plan that will be my top priority is uploading more content. I will try to upload more useful shorts.
It's almost end of the year and it's time to analyze how we did on YouTube in 2024 and how we are growing together on TDevelopers. So like every year, this year also I got this mail from YouTube showing the channel stats for this year. So in year 2024, we got 2154 new members in our TDevelopers community or TDevelopers family. And as I told last year that we will get even more than double, so this number is even like what we got in 2023. So if I have to show you in comparison, in 2023 we got 344 new subscribers, but this year the total new subscriber count is 2154. So you can see definitely not more than double, it's almost 8x 9x more than the last year. And views, as you can see, as compared to last year it was 50k, this year we got 170k total views. So it's also more than triple. And uploads, yes, as I promised in 2023 that I will upload more videos in 2024, so I uploaded more useful videos and even shorts in this year, and everything, that's the result. And you guys kept me motivated to upload more videos by commenting, by asking for different kind of videos, by liking my videos, by sharing it. So all these stats you can see, these stats are, you can say, the motivation factor for me to increase this first upload count. So because of all of you, I was able to be motivated and upload more useful videos. So indeed a great year, even though this is not something like a very big number, but yeah, we are definitely progressing and we are definitely increasing our community of members. So again, I will say thank you so much whoever joined TDevelopers channel this year in 2024. Thank you so much, you are most welcome. And in next year for next year plan I will come at the end. So this year the most viewed video was this top 5 Flutter packages. It was watched more than 365 hours, and this short, I remember, it is still going viral like crazy. So it has now more than 10k 11k views, Flutter versus React Native. And I have uploaded even more useful shorts this year. I remember like for the 3 months I uploaded continuously one shorts daily. Coming on the channel TDevelopers, this year I changed this logo. Earlier it was this logo, red one, and I changed it to my own image so that we are even more connected. And one more thing, I started uploading facecam videos. Earlier I was rarely or not uploading any videos with my own face, but from your comments, from your support, from your likes, shares, I got confidence, I got motivated to be more connected with you. This year, as promised, I uploaded many useful shorts this year. And now coming to the plan for 2025. So in 2025, I will not say I will upload more and more videos or shorts. I will try to maintain like how much I uploaded this year, but what I will improve is my storytelling skill, my communication skill. So my plan for 2025 will be uploading more engaging video, more useful videos, and not just focused on Flutter. Definitely Flutter, I'm not going to leave it, but yes, I will explore different topics like AI, web development, and other programming related videos. So these are the fields, these are the topics, and in general programming, software engineering, coding, these kind of video I will also upload. I know most of you have subscribed to this channel for Flutter, so definitely I will not left Flutter. You can expect 50% or 60% Flutter and 40% other kind of videos. So this was the recap for 2024 and plan for 2025. Once again, thank you so much for subscribing, for being part of TDevelopers. Happy New Year in advance. See you in next year.